Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. And friends, I'm going to show you how my iPad, which was cracked, even the glass is falling out down here, by buying one of these screen protectors, putting it on this guy right here, and I'll walk you through the steps. It has fixed it. This iPad is back and good to go. Look, here's an iPad Air 2. And this one actually has the extra memory on it as well, so it's an expensive one. Took it to the Apple store, explained to them, hey, the screen broke, still works perfect, turns on fine, kids can still use it, except that now the glass has really broken quite a bit. And you know what they told me? They said basically it would be so expensive to fix it, you might as well just go and buy a new one and get rid of this thing. So I'm frustrated. I was telling my son here, I'm like, look, we should either cut it up and like see what's inside or try to save it. So I was watching some other videos on YouTube, and it looks like a couple of people were saying you could get packaging tape and just put like strips of packaging tape going down and just see how long you can get it last for. You know, is that going to be a permanent fix and this thing's going to last years and years? I doubt it, but I'd love to get another year out of it or something like that. This is the case that I had. I've had really good luck with these cases, but somehow through all my kids and whatnot, somehow it broke. But all right, so here's what I found is this screen right here, the Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered. This guy was 10 bucks. Check out the link down below in the description, and I'll show you where I got this guy. But for 10 bucks, I figured it was worth a try. So instead of the packaging tape and having like those lines going down on it, I'm gonna try to get one of these screen protectors and see if I can get that to work. So here's kind of an unboxing of what's in here, and I'll tell you what, I'm gonna hand the camera off to my camera guy right here. So let's see what's in here. Installation kit, and I've already kind of ripped it open here. And all right, so there's our instructions right here. All right, and I've read through them, but you can pause right there if you need to see it. And it says, you know, number one, start off with nice clean hands, so we'll dive into that as well. And then these guys here are some, look, there's a dust absorber. That's after you're done. And then there's a couple of these guide stickers to help you guide it in. And then there's some 2 wipes. So you got a clean wipe. This is kind of like an alcohol-based. And then there's a dry swab. So we're going to clean this thing up really nice with these 2 guys. And then here's our actual glass right here. Let's take a look. This is a nice case it came into. It feels like it's nice and sturdy. Now this guy has protection on it, so I'm not worried about my fingers getting on it. Both of the sides have a film on them. So let's make sure it's the right one. Oh, and it is perfect. Perfect fit. Awesome. Sweet. Again, this is the iPad Air 2. And when you click on that link down in the description, you'll be able to see that you can click on the one that's right for you. So that's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping this is going to stick nice and kind of cover up those cracks and still work. All right, I got my wipes here, so let's take a look. Here's the wet one, and I'll just do a nice cleaning of this screen. And I did already get kind of like a baby wipe and kind of clean it up. Now I want to be careful here. Here it's all the way broken through, so I obviously don't want to get any moisture into there, so I'm going to kind of take it easy in that section over there. But at the same time, I need to try to get it as clean as I possibly can. So I'm going to carefully wipe this guy down. Again, this screen protector is designed to be put on as preventative measure, and here I'm just trying to get away with something here and see if I can get this guy to last a little bit longer. Now it's nice and broken up. All right, let's get this guy here and let's dry this stuff off. Okay guys, so I've got my screen nice and clean and dry, and then here is the actual protective piece right here. And this red sticker, I want to make sure that the red sticker is down on the glass portion right here. So I want to get it on there. I want to get it as perfect as I possibly can. And then what I'm going to do is use these guide stickers right here. And these guide stickers are what is going to keep it in place. And you know, you can obviously see that I moved it there a little bit, but let's do this. Let me get the guide stickers where I want them, and then we'll get it perfect, and then we'll stick these guys down. Okay, that looks good. Get it right where we want it, and maybe I'll turn it this way. Just like that, line up that hole. By the way, it came with the hole, the home screen hole, already pre-cut. That's really awesome. All right, that feels just about right. So then I'm going to push down in the middle, Keep it nice and firm. And then I'm going to get these stickers and I'm going to wrap them out and around. So let's see here if I do that. Wrap it nice and firm, wrap it nice and firm. Perfect. Make sure those guys are stuck on there good. I'll double check it. Yep, it is on there. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to open it up. And now I'm going to take this little red sticker here. And we're going to take this guy off. Now I want to be really careful because I don't want to get any dirt, debris, fingerprints on that back side of that guy. So now this guy's ready to go. And as I'm coming down with it, I'm going to kind of put a finger right in the middle and try to get it to kind of adhere right as, ooh, that looks good. Right as we go. Now it's not going to work quite as perfect as if I didn't have any cracks, right? We're on the same page with that one. Woo! Man, this is going to work. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, so it's sticking down in there. I'll give it some pressure going around. Yeah. All right, and so you can see right here, look, it goes right over those cracks. So this used to be a hole right here, and now I've got this protective piece on it. Let's turn it on. Let's see how it works. And yes, I'll take those stickers off, but I'm just so dang excited to see if it actually works. All right, let's see it. All right, fingerprint touch. Yep, okay, up, on, home screen. Yeah, that looks great. I love it. Does it work? It works perfect. Awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah. And I'll close it down. We'll go to the home screen. And then we'll finish taking these guys off right here. So now that we've got it right where we want it, we'll just peel these guys right off and we are good to go, friends. How is that? I'll tell you what, I'll even check in 3 months and 6 months and let you know if this is working, but I'm telling you, this is gonna work. I feel it. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you next time.